Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will walk through the process of diagnosing and repairing a corrupted BIOS on the HP EliteBook 840G8. First, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. You may also want a can of compressed air for cleaning purposes. Begin by ensuring the laptop is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located on the underside. Keep these screws organized, as you will need them for reassembly later. If you encounter any difficulty, remember to use a plastic spudger to carefully pry open the cover without damaging the clips. Once the back panel is removed, take a moment to clean the internal components with compressed air. Dust buildup can exacerbate hardware issues. Pay close attention to the cooling fans and heat sinks. Next, locate the CMOS battery, which is usually a coin cell battery on the motherboard. This battery helps maintain the BIOS settings. If you suspect corruption, removing the battery for a few minutes can sometimes reset the BIOS. While you're at it, check for any visible signs of damage or burnt components. If the BIOS is still corrupted after replacing the CMOS battery, you may need to perform a BIOS recovery. Download the latest BIOS version from the HP support website onto a USB drive. Make sure the USB drive is formatted to FAT32. To initiate the recovery, insert the USB drive into the laptop. Hold down the Windows key and the B key while pressing the power button. This should trigger the BIOS recovery process. If done correctly, you will see a BIOS recovery screen. Follow the prompts to complete the recovery. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with this process, ensuring your laptop is handled correctly. Additionally, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't need to worry about any travel or phone calls. Once the BIOS recovery is complete, your laptop should boot normally. If you continue to experience issues, it may be time to consider further diagnostics or repairs. For a quote before repair, feel free to reach out to our service team. After the repair, reassemble the back cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Don't forget to reconnect the power source and turn on your laptop to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Remember, maintaining your laptop's health is crucial. Regular cleaning and timely updates can prevent such issues in the future. If you encounter any further problems, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.